Well, good morning, everyone. When I first got up at 4 o'clock this morning and brought the Great Danes outside to go potty, we were in rain. Now we are in a winter storm, and the snow is absolutely beautiful. It's calmed a little bit. I just went back in the house. Let's go look at the roads. My little birds are wanting some food. Okay, so wow, the wind is just something fierce. They said it'd be up to 60-mile-per-hour winds. Let's look at this road here. I heard someone having a hard time getting up. Wow, that wind. It's frozen solid. But I am worried that we could lose electric. So I'm getting ready to start some really good stuff to have on hand. But let's go turn Solomon loose. Okay, so I've already fed, watered, and gave snacks to the Cabana girls. Um, that one piece of plastic didn't hold up this year, but I'm thinking I will get more of those types of shower curtains for next year because they really do a great job. I just need to figure out a way to secure them more, but when you have rotating winds, it's hard. So it's holding up pretty well. Let's keep going. Okay, so, oh my goodness, it's still muddy. Oh, yeah. The ground is not frozen yet, and the mud is unbelievable. But I'm going to let him out because he needs to run. So, there's my boy. You ready to run? He's like, yes. I have his breakfast on the stove. So, in about an hour or two, he'll be ready. Hi, my love. You ready? Uh-oh. Let's go. Go play. Okay, yes, you are very muddy. Okay, okay, calm down. Hey, slow down. I want him to get a feel of the land before he starts getting the zoomies completely. But he's loving this. This is his element. God love him. Well, I think he's going to take a little hooey, so we're going to go on around here. Give him some privacy. Look how, well, I don't know if you can see how pretty it is or not. Look at that. And there's our wild animal. Okay, I need to go turn the lights on in this chicken house back here, so we'll get back to him in a minute. Good morning, ladies. I need you to stay back. Good girls. Hi. How are y'all doing? I set you up with extra food last night, so you should be fine this morning. But man, we need to get in here and clean. Whew. Come on, girls, let me get through so I can turn the light on. Come on, Pearl. Okay, so here we are inside. Hi, Raw. Your fit's doing so good. Oh. Hi, Evie. Hi, my love. How are you? You're so pretty. Oh, look at your comb already. That's why I want to get rid of the comb in my breeding. Such a beautiful bird, and then his comb gets all messed up. All right, ladies. I got to get back out to Solomon. I'll bring your snacks up in a little bit. You've got plenty of food. What are you doing, Raw? Huh? What are you doing, my boy? You pretty boy? Yeah? Okay. Hey, where'd you go? Into Narnia? Are you in Narnia? Let's go through here. So, what we're going to do is he and I will come in here and clear out all of the small trees. He and I will be making paths and making sure that some of the trees that we leave are more bushy. Now, we do know that we will have goats in here, so, you know, that will be an issue. But, uh-oh, don't knock me down. You come in behind me and you scare me. This is his element. My gosh. When he was really little, when I first brought him home, I can't keep the camera on him. He's like a deer. He just wanted to be in the house for a very short period of time. I'd bring him in and he'd lay on the couch or he'd lay on the dog bed and he'd chew on the toys and play. And then he would always go to the door. And if there was snow on the ground, when he first met snow, that was his new friend. So it's so pretty. So he has all of this. And he and I will be cleaning it out. I sound like I'm out of breath, but that wind is taking my breath away and making my nose red. There he is on the fence line back there. But yeah, they said there's going to be gusts of up to 60-mile-per-hour winds. And that really concerns me, especially since it started off with rain. So that means there's going to be ice. And the snow's going to, weigh it down as it sticks to it. So electric lines. Hi! Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Ah! Hi, baby. Is this your fun? Huh? Yeah. Go on. All right, you guys. I got to get in the house and get warmed up. We'll have a talking video. I have a bunch of notes I need to go through, and we'll try to do it in one video. Right now, I'm getting pelted in the face with snow and wind. Y'all have a great day. Hugs from a distance.